Yeah. That Chanel shit, I like that. Got your own ride, I like that. Got your mind right, I like that. In a fantasy world, I wife that. At the blue flame with 2 chains on, 8 rings on.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. If you are new, my name is Caitlin. Hi, nice to meet you. Don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe to join the gang. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today will be a review on VSHOW hair. They were kind enough to send me over a 22-inch lace frontal wig, and here she is. I decided to do a middle part because when I do side parts, I like to have all the baby hairs, but I didn't really feel like having that maintenance. So I did a middle part, and I just did the one swoop for an everyday natural look. So, like I said, I received a stock wig. I think it was 24 inches. It might have been 22 inches. I'll go back through the email and leave everything down below. But I've been wearing this hair for literally since I got it. If you guys watch my hot comb video, this is the same exact wig. I've been wearing it since I've got it. I would just take it off, remove the glue, wash it, and then reinstall it. The hair is very soft. I haven't received any tangles or any shedding. So no shedding, no tangling. It straightens easily, as you guys can see in my hot comb video. Everything about it. Also, it did come pre-plucked, you guys, so I didn't have to do any work but bleach my knots and install the wig. So here she is. Here she is. So I would highly recommend VSHOW hair. Go ahead and before you leave, actually, make sure you subscribe. But then go ahead, head over to the website, add your hair to the cart, honey, and thank me later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.